Okay, just got this from Target. Hold up. Well, I've played it a couple times, 2K22. I'll even show you. I'll open it up. Got the memory card. I've played it a couple times. My team, I started yesterday. My squad's not that good yet. I did get like in the blind, but on my team, but like my last game with them was like today, so yeah. So I'm gonna put this bad boy in my Switch. Close it up. Yeah. We can, I'll show you. I really don't know what game to play now. I don't know if I should play 2K22 or 2K21. I'll just play 2K22. A video coming soon about me playing 2K22. I just wanted to update you guys. Yeah, video coming soon later today. Be uploaded about later tonight. Peace.